Vladimir Putin is becoming embarrassed and pushed into a corner. And I wonder, Mr. President, what you would say to him if he is considering using chemical or tactical nuclear weapons.
Don't.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you an exclusive look at the testing of one of Russia's most advanced missile systems, the Iskander-1000. Join us as we explore the features, capabilities, and specifications of this powerful weapon. Before we go any further into Iskander-1000 missiles being tested in Russia, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like it to stay updated with the latest technological developments. Don't forget to leave a comment below about Iskander-1000 missiles that destroy everything and the future. Why are so many people afraid of Russia's Iskander-1000? The Iskander-1000, a state-of-the-art short-range ballistic missile, is part of the Iskander family of missiles. Developed by the Russian defense industry, this missile is designed to provide a high degree of precision and lethality, capable of striking a wide range of targets with devastating effect. Let's dive into the specifications of the Iskander-1000. This missile has a length of approximately 7.3 meters 24 feet, a diameter of about 0.92 meters 3 feet, and a launch weight of around 4,500 kilograms 9,921 pounds. It is propelled by a solid fuel rocket motor, allowing it to reach supersonic speeds of up to Mach 6 or 7,400 kilometers per hour, 4,600 miles per hour. One of the key features of the Iskander-1000 is its advanced guidance system. It utilizes a combination of inertial navigation (GPS) and digital scene matching area correlation (DSMAC) to achieve pinpoint accuracy. This allows the missile to strike within a few meters of its intended target, even under challenging conditions. The warhead of the Iskander-1000 can be tailored to specific mission requirements. It is capable of carrying a conventional high-explosive warhead, a cluster munition, or a bunker buster warhead. This versatility makes it an effective tool against a variety of targets, including military installations, command centers, and fortified bunkers. Now let's witness the Iskander-1000 in action. As the missile is launched, it rapidly accelerates to supersonic speeds, following a carefully calculated trajectory. Its sophisticated guidance system continuously adjusts its flight path to ensure maximum accuracy. Upon reaching its target, the Iskander-1000 delivers a devastating blow. The combination of high speed, precision, and explosive power makes it a formidable weapon in modern warfare. The impact creates a powerful shock wave, capable of inflicting severe damage to enemy structures and personnel. The aftermath of an Iskander-1000 strike is nothing short of catastrophic for the enemy. The missile's precision ensures that collateral damage is minimized, while its destructive power ensures that the target is neutralized effectively. This capability is a significant force multiplier for Russian military operations. The Iskander-1000 is part of a broader family of missiles that have been deployed in various conflicts and military exercises. Its predecessors, the Iskander-M and Iskander-K, have already demonstrated their effectiveness in combat scenarios. The Iskander-1000 builds upon this legacy with enhanced range, accuracy, and payload options. Maintaining and upgrading the Iskander-1000 requires a dedicated team of engineers and technicians. These professionals work tirelessly to ensure that the missile system remains in peak operational condition, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Their expertise and dedication are crucial to the system's success. In addition to its technical capabilities, the Iskander-1000 system is supported by comprehensive training programs for military personnel. Operators undergo rigorous training to ensure they can effectively deploy and utilize the missile system under various operational scenarios. This training is essential for maximizing the system's effectiveness in combat. The Iskander-1000 has also been showcased during military parades and exhibitions, demonstrating Russia's advancements in missile technology. Its presence serves as a powerful deterrent, signaling to potential adversaries the formidable capabilities of the Russian military. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the Iskander-1000 missile system. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of military technology and weaponry. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we continue to uncover the secrets of modern warfare. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.